Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best food dehydrators for jerky that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Kosori Food Dehydrator machine for jerky, the most budget-friendly option on this countdown. Priced at just $49.99, this dehydrator is perfect for beginners or casual users looking to explore food dehydration without breaking the bank. With a maximum temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, it ensures safe beef jerky preparation, while its adjustable temperature range allows for precise control between 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 165 degrees Fahrenheit in 1 degree Fahrenheit increments. The 48-hour timer is a great addition, making it easy to set and forget while you focus on other tasks. Design-wise, the Kosori Compact Dehydrator features a solid, durable build with 5 BPA-free trays that are expandable to 7. Its lightweight, round design makes it easy to store or move around, while the quiet operation, less than 47 dB, ensures it won't disturb your home environment. The included 50 recipe book is a thoughtful touch, offering inspiration for drying fruits, herbs, and even treats for pets. While this dehydrator is a fantastic entry-level option, it does come with limitations. Its 350-watt power is sufficient for small batches, but may struggle with larger quantities. And the lack of a rear fan means airflow isn't as consistent as higher-end models. Overall, the Kosori Food Dehydrator machine is ideal for those on a budget or anyone experimenting with food dehydration for the first time. Coming in at number 4 is the Fendia Dehydrator for jerky with 8 trays, priced at $109.99. This model strikes a balance between affordability and functionality, offering a higher-end feel at a mid-range price. With a powerful 600-watt motor and a temperature range of 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 190 degrees Fahrenheit, it's versatile enough to handle everything from jerky and fruits to herbs and breadcrumbs. The 24-hour timer allows for precise dehydration control, while the built-in overheating protection ensures safe operation. The design is compact yet robust, featuring 8 stainless steel trays that provide ample space for medium-sized batches. The glass front door and clear window let you monitor your drying progress without interrupting the process, and the ultra-quiet operation ensures it won't disrupt your daily activities. Cleaning is a breeze with removable trays and dishwasher-safe components, making it convenient for regular use. However, while this dehydrator offers good performance, it lacks the capacity and advanced features of higher-ranked models, such as preset programs or larger tray space. It's best suited for hobbyists or those who need a reliable machine for moderate use. Overall, the Fendia 8-tray dehydrator is a solid choice for anyone seeking a dependable mid-range option. At number 3, we have the Kosori Food Dehydrator for jerky, priced at $119.99. This model boasts premium features at a competitive price, making it a favorite among home users who value performance and convenience. With a maximum temperature of 176 degrees Fahrenheit, it meets USDA recommendations for safe jerky preparation. The 4 customizable presets, jerky, fruits, vegetables, and yogurt, simplify the dehydration process, while the 48-hour timer ensures precision and flexibility. Its compact design fits beautifully on countertops without taking up too much space. The rear-mounted fan and even airflow distribution deliver consistent results, avoiding issues like over-drying or uneven moisture retention. The 5 stainless steel trays are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. This model is also incredibly quiet, so you can run it overnight without disturbance. The Kosori Dehydrator is perfect for families or anyone who wants a versatile machine capable of handling a variety of foods. However, its capacity maxes out at 3.1 pounds of raw beef, which may not be enough for larger batches. If you're looking for high-quality results in a compact design, this Kosori model is an excellent choice. Taking the second spot is the PSI DAN Food Dehydrator for Jerky, priced at $159.99. This model is a powerhouse with 850 watts of drying power and a spacious 12-tray capacity, making it ideal for large families or anyone who needs to dehydrate large batches of food at once. Its rear-mounted fan ensures consistent airflow, while the LED control panel lets you customize settings with ease. The 10 preset programs simplify operation, allowing you to select the perfect settings for jerky, fruits, herbs, and more. The build quality is impressive, featuring durable stainless steel trays and a glass door for easy monitoring. The dishwasher-safe trays and drip tray make cleanup effortless, while the ultra-quiet performance ensures minimal disruption during operation. With a spacious 30-liter capacity, this dehydrator is perfect for serious home chefs or small-scale commercial use. While the PSI DAN Dehydrator offers exceptional performance, its larger size and higher price point may not be suitable for casual users or those with limited counter space. If you're looking for a feature-rich model that can handle big jobs efficiently, this is a fantastic option. Claiming the top spot at number 1 is the Fendia Food Dehydrator for Jerky, priced at $163.99. This premium model offers the ultimate combination of power, capacity, and advanced features. With a whopping 1,200-watt motor and a temperature range of 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 190 degrees Fahrenheit, it's capable of handling the toughest dehydration tasks with ease. The 12 stainless steel trays provide ample space for large batches, making it perfect for families, athletes, or even small commercial use. The design is sleek and functional, featuring a glass front door for monitoring and ultra-quiet operation for uninterrupted use. The built-in overheat protection adds a layer of safety, ensuring reliable operation even during extended use. The 360-degree circulating airflow technology delivers consistent results, preserving the natural flavors and nutrients of your food. Cleanup is straightforward, thanks to the removable trays and dishwasher-safe components. While the Fendia Food Dehydrator is the priciest option on this list, its performance and versatility justify the investment. If you're looking for a top-tier machine that excels in every category, this model is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.